We're here in Rome. We made it. Look at this.
Hey, what's up?
CJ here. That's him. This is me. We got our keys. We're waiting for Alex and David right now because they're upstairs checking in.
Yeah, they're late.
My hype man right here. And yeah, we got breakfast earlier at this cute little
restaurant spot, little cafe. Had to do it to them. Got myself a little parfait on that.
Oh.
Sorry. I don't know what she's eating. It's PG.
Oh my gosh. And yeah, so this is the Rome Center over here. There's a little market over here. And then we got our little van guy right here.
What is taking them so long?
I don't know. But yeah, so that's the gist right now. We're gonna head to our apartment soon. And yeah, catch you guys. Wait, where are we right now? In Rome. We're here with David and Alex. Yes. And CJ over here just bought Monopoly. Yes. We're gonna play tonight, right?
Yeah.
Maybe. We'll see what happens. And so we're headed now to this pizzeria place, I think. CJ, what kind of pizza did we get?
It's got tomato and basil and cheese, and that's all.
Yum! Alex, what did you get?
I don't even know.
Oh, sorry. Did you get the same thing, David?
Yeah, the same thing. Some kind of bread.
You'll have to let me know. We just finished eating and we walked through this church. I'm not sure the name of it, but it was super cool. I'll show you guys footage from that up next. Vatican City. David's getting, what are you getting? A breezer?
It's like orange juice.
We're getting Gatorade. We're getting Gatorade.
Gatorade?
Yeah.
Holy water.
I don't believe ya. There's the Vatican. Oh my gosh, this is terrible lighting. You can't even see anything. This is the Vatican right here though. Let's see. Maybe you can see it. No, you can't see it. But this is where we're at. They're getting a breather, which I'm not sure what that is, but yeah, we made it here. City. The lighting is better now, so you can see. CJ over here taking pictures. Same as David back there. But yeah.